Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EUR+FX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the forex markets right now. So not much to discuss today actually, because on the euro currency, as you could see, the step that we discussed yesterday has failed. So here market was not able to hold above this trend line. If you remember, we said that keep watching for this moment. If market will break this trend line and starts dropping lower, taking out of these lows, that will be the raising of the bullish opportunity. In general, we haven't believed too much in this setup just because of the type of the price action that was forming here. It's very choppy, no significant acceleration, so a lot of overlapping candles. That is not the way how market usually responds on the strong support, and if it prepares to show the significant bounce, it's a different type of action should be formed. But in general, you could recognize here some kind of the hint on the hand and shoulders pattern, and we said that keep watching. So what will happen? But as you can see, once market taken out of these lows, the collapse has accelerated, and in fact we've got not the ABCD to the upside, but the butterfly to the downside, where market stands right now. So as market on the euro stands below the all supports levels, currently we do not have any valuable setups. But at the same time, soon we expect some changing in the sentiment on the market because of the situation on the cross currency, on the euro cable currency pair. So something should happen here because of our Great British Pound setup as well. So if you remember, I just remind you that on the cable we are looking for reaching of the 119.25 level. That is the level that we have specified in our weekly report. We have counted on the possible getting on board of this drop if market will show some at least minor pullback. But as you can see, no significant retracement has happened. Market just is dropping straight forward, ignoring any oversold levels. So currently, guys, in the current situation, well, it seems that the daily oversold overbought levels totally ignored, and we should keep an eye on only weekly, monthly overbought oversold levels. As usually in the common situation, we ignore the overbought oversold on the intraday charts because the volatility right now stands significantly higher, and that makes, well, not very useful the levels of the oversold level oversold on the daily chart. So anyway, market right now is moving straight forward, and it's coming closer to the XOP target. So it stands actually very close, just 100 pips from the XOP. And here, it's very significant lows. In general, we have 113 target as well in the longer term perspective, but in the shorter term, this could be some kind of the bounce up, wash and rinse action, and possible retracement. That's particularly we will be watching for. Also here we will keep an eye on the possible bread and butter trade, because we have strong sell-off here, and we also consider the possible taking scalp short position with getting the bread and butter trade here. But potentially this also could be some significant response on these lows. Why we think so? Because take a look at the weekly chart of the euro cable. Here's what we have. That was the point when the cable starts dropping, showing big reversal. Before that, you could see the volatility on the euro currency with this action. And now take a look, market again coming to the 93 area on the euro cable level. Here could happen something really important, really valuable. Because guys, if market will break this range, it will tell you, and this breakout will be real, not the fake breakout. It means that market should pass the same distance to the upside. That will be approximately the parity. So parity here could be achieved in two ways, right? So it could be some strong action either on the euro currency or on the cable. If they will move in a parallel, hardly the ratio between them will change. So significant action should happen in one or another currency. That's why we're watching for, and more chances that this will happen on the cable. So if cable will start rising, in this case we will get another swing inside of this range. So market will reverse down here, starts downward action probably. Something could happen here. If not, we will see the further upward acceleration. It means that your cable either will drop significantly or euro should show the rally. There's only two ways exist on the market. And market, it's interesting that it's coming to the 93 area as well as Great British Pound is coming to the 119 level. So currently it will be very important what could happen. So that's what we have on these two currencies. On the euro currency in the shorter term, well, currently I do not see something really interesting. We don't have valuable setups because major level has been broken already. Well, theoretically we could consider some kind of the, I do not know, steep ABCD pattern probably on the daily euro. Let's drop somewhere back to the lows, because here we do not see any background for taking the long position. His last chance to show the pullback has been erased. With the significant downward action. Now market stands below the major support. And on the intraday charts, as we said, we have nothing really interesting. Well, I think that on the euro, it's better to wait a bit. And it's more interesting what is going on really on the cable. So just control this situation. Keep watching on the euro, Great British Pound, and cross ratio. And take as the first approximation the moment where a market will hit 119 level and see for a response. That's our major task currently. Maybe we will return to this discussion tomorrow or with a few days, in 2 days, when the market will hit this level. So that's what we have currently on the Forex market.